It seems that a mad dog has bitten them, and from the top rung of the Congress to the lowest rung, I believe that they don't have anything else to do except defaming people, and that too with AI generated and total photoshopping. And one more thing which they have done, they have set a playbook. Today I am the chief minister's wife. I am being able to fight, but the playbook which they have set it as what you can say as an example, because now everybody has an AI, everybody has an WhatsApp, and everybody can do anything. But when they have seen such nonsense can be done in it is an example set to the entire Assamese society by a very veteran party, and which is very shameful. And I think they have gone berserk. And the berserk doesn't mean that they set very wrong examples to the society as a whole. Now, today I'm a CM's wife, as I told, but if it's done to some mother, if it's done to some daughter, how will they fight? Except crying and except sulking and having all the... For last 2 years, they have been doing every little thing to defame me, my daughter, my son, which we are nowhere related to the politics. But I don't know what kind of sadistic pleasure, and this time they have went a step ahead. And the kind of allegations they are making, like if we check with an Indian Passport Act, and that is itself says that what kind of foolish things they have done. India doesn't allow any dual citizenship, and they are talking about 3. And I'm supposed, according to them, I'm supposed to be an Egyptian national, and they are talking about the golden visa. Now they are climbing down, and they are talking about some nonsense which I am being replying them in the Twitter. But it is really disheartening and really sad that the politics that they are taking to the level, and that too with such people with such authority, and where they are supposed to lead India, they are fighting for such petty reasons which are actually demeaning for the society, and they are pulling down the society to the lowest category. And that is what they are looking. It's like a mad dog running anywhere. And that is what I'm saying, what they have said. It is a Dubai hotel, and they have given a room number in that. And what kind of property is that? If I had a property, I would buy a house, but I don't own a room hotel. And this is the kind of stupidity that they have done it. If they have if they have done such a forging, they should have done with homework. Without homework, it is like I don't know what saying. I already told, it is like a cow climbing a tree. Now I think it is directly a counter against the Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, because the kind of wave that Assam is having for BJP, and the Congress is nowhere surfacing anywhere. It is showing, the frustrations are showing up in form of degeneration of a women's fame, degeneration, showing the wrong pattern in a society, inciting youngsters to do all the wrong things. They are setting a playbook for the upcoming generations, and it is very shameful for a party like Congress to do that. I have taken the legal action. I have lodged a FIR against them. So now I've urged Assam Police to get in touch with Ministry MEA so that everything can be proved, and if I'm guilty, let me go. If somebody else is guilty, let them face the consequences. But this is not to be entertained in a very lenient manner. Let the justice prevail. It is directly against a person who has given me the press conference. So I am not politically anywhere. So somebody asking me, defaming me, so I have directly filed against him. So let the file be with the person and who has exactly spoiled and defamed me for no reasons.